Ladies and gentlemen, let us commence the opening ceremony of the 28th International Tuymaada Olympiad in Mathematics, Physics and Informatics. Deputy Minister of Education and Science of the Republic of Sakha, Yakutia, Professor Mikhail Prisyazhny, for the opening remarks to greet all the participants and announce the opening of the ceremony.
Dear participants, honored experts, dear guests, all the organizers, it's a very special moment today. On behalf of the Ministry of Education and Science of Republic of Sakha, Yakutia, I want to say welcome again to Yakutia. Thank you very much for choosing again our International Tuymaada Olympiad. It's a very special event. For many years we already met here more than 3,500 participants at least, from more than close to 30 different regions and countries. This year we already have more than 250 participants from more than 20 different regions and countries of the world. It's a very special moment for all of you, the representatives of the future of your countries, your nations, your schools. I wish you all the best, not only in this event, but also all the best for our community, for the all people of the world. And on behalf of the Ministry of Education and Science of Republic of Sakha, Yakutia, again I want to say special thanks to all the experts who have a long history of cooperation with our event. And of course we know that our world changes so fast. So it means that your results, your decisions, your network, your joint activity will be useful for our world very soon. So it means that changes world need your mind, need your ideas. So let me say the special word that I want to say, that 28th International Tuymaada Olympiad now is
the Olympic oath of the participants of the 28th International Tuymaada Olympiad in mathematics, physics and informatics.
We, the participants of the 28th Tuymaada International Olympiad,
do solemnly swear that we shall be true to formal and natural sciences till the end.
We shall respect and obey long-standing traditions of the Tuymaada Olympiad by experiencing, sustaining and caring
a high Olympic spirit through all the ordeals and obstacles.
We shall stick to our principles and values and honesty.
We shall demonstrate our knowledge and display our skills.
We shall deserve the glory of the Olympians. We shall never give up.
Always be ready to lend a helping hand.
And be able to celebrate victories with
magnanimity and accept defeats with grace and pride.
We shall rekindle the Olympic flame by the fire of our hearts.
We shall burn but not to extinguish.
We shall bring the sparks of fervor and creativity to our native lands and share them with our people.
We swear.
Tuymaada Olympiad has prompted the interest of school students from different countries around the world. And now, let us invite the jury members.
We, the jury at the 28th Tuymaada International Olympiad
in mathematics, physics and computer science,
do solemnly swear
that we will be honest.
We swear we will be impartial.
We swear we will be objective.
We swear we will be fair.
We swear.
We swear.
We swear.
We swear.
We swear.
We swear.
судья, разрешите вас всех с большим искренним удовольствием приветствовать на нашем замечательном мероприятии на 28-й Международной Олимпиаде Tuymaada. Сегодня здесь собрались все те, кто искренне любит математику, физику, информатику. И я думаю, что сегодня здесь собрались самые лучшие умы, чтобы посостязаться в решении интереснейших задач. Сегодня мы находимся в условиях новой экономики, в условиях экономики знаний. И решение сложных задач является одним из самых востребованных навыков. И я желаю вам в эти дни продемонстрировать все, на что вы способны в решении задач, которые нам подготовило наше замечательное жюри. И чтобы вы показали все, чему вас учили ваши педагоги, к чему вы готовились сами, и чтобы вот эти задачи вас сподвигли на новые успехи, на изучение любимых предметов, и чтобы вам было действительно интересно и увлекательно погрузиться в мир нашей Олимпиады Tuymaada. Удачи, успехов, пусть победит сильнейший!
Dear Olympiad participants, may these days bring an atmosphere of celebration, true friendship and Olympic spirit for all of you. We wish you new ideas, extraordinary solutions, fair play, triumphs and success.